Hi, good evening. Welcome back to Shark Giants. Now we will see end of the day market report. First, we will see how US market closed yesterday. Dow Jones lost 66 points and closed at 15,334. Nasdaq gained close to 2.5 points and closed at 3,768. Asian markets are mixed today. Hang Seng gained 30 points and closed at 23,209, and all other markets closed in red. Nikkei lost 112 points, Straits Times lost 3 points, Taiwan lost 15 points, Kospi lost 9 points, Shanghai lost 9 points, and Taiwan lost 15 points. Whereas Nifty closed at 5,873, losing 18 points. Sensex closed at 19,856, losing 63 points. On an intraday basis, if you see, Nifty opened at 5901 and made a high of 5910, and it made a low of 5,811 today. On Sensex, it opened at 19,947 and made a high of 19,978 and made a low of 19,658. Both Sensex and Nifty recovered very heavily after 2 o'clock. Nifty recovered close to Sensex recovered close to 250 points and Nifty recovered close to 80 points. Now we will see on intraday basis. Nifty opened close to 5,910 and made a high near to that at 5,911. From there it started to fall and it has made a low of 5,811 close to 11 o'clock. From there it started to fall very heavily. We have taken out even 5840, which is a 200-day moving average. We cut that one and we made a low of 5,820 around at 11:15. From here we started to see some sort of stabilization, but we made a high of only 5844 up to 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock we started to see little bit of downside and it made a fresh low of 5811. After that we started to see heavy recovery and we taken out 5850. From there we may move towards 5860. Once we have taken out 5860, we moved towards 5890 during the close. Now we will see about top gainers in Nifty and Sensex and losers in Nifty and Sensex. Top gainers today are BHEL gained 9%, Hindalco gained 4%, Sisagova gained 3.6%, SBI gained 2.9%, and NTPC gained close to 2.4% in NSE. And top losers in NSE are BPCL lost 3%, Reliance lost 2.9%, HDFC Bank lost 2.8%, DLF lost 2.4%, and M&M lost close to 2.4%. Outside Nifty, NSEL Industries gained 16%, GM Breweries gained 15%, Store One gained 10%, McDonald's gained 9.8%, Jeep Industries gained 9.8%. Whereas losers outside Nifty, Financial Technologies lost 10%, InSwift Lab lost close to 9.6%, SRS lost close to 9.5%, Vikas Global One lost close to 8.5%, and Visakha Sagar lost close to 8.5%. On sector basis, if you see gainers and losers, gainers, metals gained, then S&P Capital Goods gained and S&P Healthcare gained, whereas losers, BSE Consumer Goods lost 20%, FMCG lost 77 points, Bank Nifty lost 94 points, and oil and gas lost close to 116 points in sector basis. We will see about how our calls performed today. We have given 3 buy calls and 3 sell calls. We have given Ultratech buy with a stop loss of 1760. The stock made a low of 1772. From there, at the last moment, it gained and it made a high of 1806. So which given you a gain of almost 1.8%. We have given a buy on Cipla, the stop loss of 420. The stock made a low of 429 and it given you a gain of close to 0.6%. It moved to a high of 439.75. It has given you almost 10 rupees. And Mahindra and Mahindra stop loss got triggered. Then we have given sell calls on Jindal Steel, Bharti, Airtel and TCS. Jindal Steel opened down and it made a low of 241 rupees, giving you a gain of close to 3.5%. Bharti Airtel opening, it was a little bit down. It opened at 329 and it made a low of 325, giving you a gain of close to 1.29%. And TCS at the fag end, it went to a high of 1971 and made a low of 1947. So it has given you a gain of 1.21% today. All these calls are weekly calls, but sell calls you can carry only in futures, not in cash market. Now we will see about how commodity market are trading. Brent crude is right now trading with a gain of close to 1.1%, around at $109.85. Gold is trading around 29,998 with a gain of 0.6%, and silver is trading around 48,945, losing 0.4%. Natural gas is trading around 226 rupees, losing 0.22%. If we see about rupee, today rupee gained 33 paisa against dollar. Dollar closed at 62 rupee 41 paisa. Rupee gained against all the currencies. It gained 26 paisa against euro and closed at 84 rupees 32 paisa, and it gained 33 paisa against pound and closed at 100 rupees 12 paisa. If you see on European markets, DAX lost 37 points and closed at trading around 8,627. CAC is almost lost 20 points and trading now at 4,175, and FTSE lost 30 points and trading around 6,541. All this today, almost all the calls made you close to 1 to 1.5%, except M&M, where you lost, it triggered the stop loss. For more, visit our website www.shahjain.com. You can post your queries in YouTube video itself.